naira, 150 naira. Ngwa. After the other side. Okay, stay there. Okay, no. Let's go. Let's go.
Alashis.
What? You came home?
Yes, I came in last night. Alashis, you mean you still driving Koteke?
Wow, what's man go do now? Eh?
Hey.
Go do now with the manager.
Oh, I'm great, you know.
What the hell?
Mama, you too. Mama, you mean you still sell these vegetables?
Oh, wow, my son. Okoko hapo come. Keri ho geji zomia.
When your son Edozie is in Lagos, buying properties like mad, spending money like there's no tomorrow, are you people here suffering?
Sorry, passenger, make una sorry, I dey come abeg, make una no vex abeg. Wow, abeg, my keke is full. If you want to enter the other side. Make I take you to Nkwo, if you're going to Nkwo, and allow the dead to bury themselves.
Aloysius, I am very serious. I am very serious. This is an error. How can you be here driving keke suffering when your immediate younger brother is a billionaire? It's an error. It's not acceptable.
Wow, see, this is morning and it's too early for this. Please.
No, I want to see to the root of this. How can you be suffering like this? When they do say he's a billionaire in Lagos, he doesn't know what to do with money. You are the same brother, same father, same mother, everything. Is it that Edose does not want to help you people or what?
Wow, see, Edose is your friend, and both of you stay in Lagos. So why don't you inquire from him? If you ask me this question from now till eternity, I am not going to answer you.
Okay, Adama.
Please, I don't want any trouble this morning, please.
I'll meet Edose in Lagos.
Just do that.
Mama,
you guys are friends.
Okay now.
Wow.
One. It doesn't figure I didn't make a mistake. It doesn't figure I didn't make a mistake. Before 9 o'clock tomorrow, you will receive 6 million naira alert. Yes. Because of my daily limit here, I can only do 6 million a day. So tomorrow morning before 9, I'll do 6 million. Once it's 12 midnight, I'll do 6 million. One day, it doesn't figure I didn't make a mistake. It doesn't figure I didn't make a mistake. Alright, bro. One love, yeah? Dope. Walaka, my man. What's up? Why are you this weekend? I mean, why are you this weekend? You are living in a mansion that is yours. You still have other houses out there. The cars I saw outside, they all belong to you. But your mother and your brother are living in that poor village house. Is that not gross wickedness? How can you be this wicked? Huh? Walaka. I'm listening.
Wow.
I said I'm listening.
You know I can comfortably build a house for my brother and my mother. I can establish my brother with money to do any type of business. I can even buy him a car. True or false?
I know now. I know it won't cost you anything.
Good. Do I look like a fool?
No.
You are my childhood friend. You know my family. I don't joke with them.
I know now. You've always had your brother and your mother at heart. I'm wondering why the sudden change. Is it because of the money?
No.
Olaka. Ask my brother and my mother what I've done. The way they are treating me. In fact, I don't even know how to place this. Just ask my brother and my mother why they are treating me this way. How do you mean? Walaka, if you see Alphonsus, my brother, just call him and ask him, why are you treating Edozie Fege this way? People are just confusing me. Aloysius will send me to you. You will send me to Aloysius. Have I lied for you before? Just meet Aloysius. Ask him this simple question. Why are you treating Edozie Fege this way?
Baby, you're not happy. What is it?
I'm fine. Don't worry.
No, you are not.
It has nothing to do with you.
And you call yourself my boyfriend. You claim you love me so much that you want to spend the rest of your life with me. And you find it difficult sharing your problems with me. Am I a stranger here?
Okay. I will tell you. I'm not happy because of what I saw in the village yesterday.
And what was that?
You know that my friend that came back from South Africa with lots of money.
The one that was squatting with you in your one-room apartment before you traveled.
Exactly.
What's that his name?
Edozie.
Yes, Edozie. What about him?
Can you believe it that his mother and only brother are living in abject poverty in the village? As in, eating from hand to mouth.
God have mercy. Are you kidding me?
I can't understand. I can't comprehend. How can Edozie have so much money, living in affluence? He cannot take care of his mother and only brother. Does it make sense? I don't just understand.
Wonder shall never end.
I am going to see to the root of this. I want to know why Edozie should have all this money and leave his mother and brother to die in poverty.
Wonder shall never end. Oh my God.
pay me my money, you came to borrow. Because you were also.
Wait, how much is this money, sir?
How much is it? 500. So 500 naira.
I wonder how she was begging and begging and begging and begging before you gave her that money.
Oh, thank God you were there. Very stupid woman.
It's funny.
Very funny.
Mama, good morning.
Edozie, what is it? Edozie, what is it? Who is your mama? Me. Edozie, you must betray me. You must betray me. I am not your mother. Go and look for who is your mother.
Why are you people treating me this way? What have I done wrong? Everyone out there now sees me as a devil. It's unfair.
It doesn't. We are not treating you anyhow. You know what to do. And until you do it, there is no sacrament that is binding you with us. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, you heard him.
Mama.
Papa.
Accept this thing.
God punish you and this thing you call money. You think you can deceive me with this? I don't have respect for this because they are just papers. Amilo, go with your money because I don't need them. Edozie, go with your money. Take your money and leave. Edozie! Okay. Edozie, come and take your money and go. We don't need you and your money. Take your money and go. Don't leave it here, Edozie. Edozie, come on, Eje. Tell your brother to come and take this thing and go. I don't need it. Edozie, come and take the money and leave. Hey! You don't want to take it there? No problem. I will burn there because I don't need it. I don't need it.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt.
Mama,
why?
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do, everything you do, everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do, everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything
Where is the joy now? Where is the joy? Where is the fulfillment? I made money because of my family, my brother and my mother, but now they have rejected me. They have rejected my money. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. Edozie fege. Or the kwaki mego mistake.
now. Hey, why is your face like this? Talk to me and I'm your mother. What is it? What happened?
They rejected me.
Yeah. They rejected you. That is why your face is like this. As if somebody died. My son, look. Brighten your face and smile for your mother. Now, mother, oh?
Mama,
just smile. Just smile. Smile for your mother. Eh? One thing. Oh, mama. Look, let me tell you this. That God led you all the way from the city and came back safely is enough to give glory to God. Many people went there, they never came back. So why would we thank God? Go in and brighten up. Take your bath. Your mother prepared you the right food. Go in! I did not my son.
I've not smiled for the past 6 days.
What else will I be doing if not to put smile on your face? Let's go in! I'm happy you enjoyed it. Hey,
Mama.
really for one day.
Yeah, I left for Let's call a spade a spade.
What is it?
You went through hell just to see us through school. And all I do is eat your meal every now and then and say, Mama, thank you. Morning, Mama, thank you. Afternoon, Mama, thank you. Night, Mama, thank you. I am tired of Mama, thank you. Huh?
My son. My son.
Mama.
God
should fast forward his time. God's time is the best. God's time is the best.
You can't fast forward God's time for him.
Okay.
Hey? See, God has his timing for every one of us. Some he blessed before they graduate from the university. Some immediately they graduate from the university. Some years after they have left the university. Why not be patient? For they said, a patient dog in the father's dog. My son, be patient. Be patient. One day, God will touch them to give you work, and your heart desire will be granted. Oh?
She's patient. Oh no. Dodo.
You're welcome.
Hello. The truth is that you can't continue like this.
You can't continue like this, you can't continue like this. Do you want to go to the city and remain outside? You want to live on the streets? You have submitted your CV to different companies. Why not wait for them to call you for a job? One day they will call you. I know that.
This is what I'm tired of. One day. God's time is the best. What is all this? Huh? I'm going for 40 years ever. I hope you didn't finish the food. Hey, your pussy soup. My brother, we can't continue like this. It doesn't make sense. All we do is eat and say, Mama thank ma in the morning. Afternoon, Mama thank ma. Night, Mama thank ma. Are you not tired? Abba, if you're not tired, I'm tired.
Because here we don't know anybody in the city. That is the problem. No cousin, no brother, no sister, nowhere to stay.
I and I know police here. I and I go dog police here. I'm not gonna be. Let's make move first. Let's stay with friends, relatives. Let's just make move first. Let's make move.
My own is that I am very comfortable riding my keke in this village till the companies I submitted my CV are ready to call me.
Are you serious?
Yes, comfortable.
You are comfortable with keke? Graduate after 5 years in school. You are comfortable with keke? fine and good. I am not comfortable. Okay? I am not. In fact, I'm not sure you're my blood because if you are, you wouldn't be saying this rubbish. After 5 years in school, you are comfortable with Keke. I am not. My brother, I'm not comfortable. Okay? I am not. I'm going to Onitsha. Simple. Onitsha. In at the comfortable with Keke. That's it. Anyway, I don't have anything to say.
My son, remember all that I told you? My good Lord that I am serving will bless you through it.
Amen.
For God's kobo is better than the devil's naira.
Mama, you've been saying this thing from inside now. Why are you sounding like I'm going to do money ritual?
I know why I'm saying this. I am your mother. I know why I'm saying it. Remember where you are coming from and be courageous.
Mama.
Please.
Mama, don't bother yourself. I trust my brother.
Okay.
He will not do anything stupid.
Amen. Amen.
You want to start your own? Let me go in, John. Mama, I've heard go.
Go well, eh?
Oh, God.
Because, do you go where you're now?
I'll call you once again.
All right. Take care of yourself. Be a good boy, yo.
Yeah.
Do you go where
I will pay you one day. I will pay you one day.
Why you?
Your weight is too much.
Malak, I don't understand. Look at what I want. Anything that is legit, anything that is lawful that can be giving me money. I can't just stay like this now. Anything at all, I don't mind. I just need to be getting money every day.
Like working in the polythene factory.
No. I don't want polythene factory. Those people, they'll be saying month end, they'll pay you. No. I need a place where I'll be working. At the end of the day, they'll pay me. I need daily money. Those old polythene companies, they will say month end, another story will end and say, no. I need daily money.
Those boys that are selling gala at La Casara, those people are making good money. One of them told me that sometimes they make up to 5,000 naira a day.
Me working gala at La Casara?
I'm telling you, 5,000 naira a day.
Are you sure? Do they make such money?
I'm telling you.
Every day 5,000?
I'm telling you. But the thing is that the people that know you very well now, as you graduate, after spending 5 years in the university, they now see you in the street hawking.
But forget that one. Who people help? What is people? Life is a journey, my brother. I won't be selling gala and mineral for forever. It's just for the meantime. Are you getting me? And besides, when I let to upgrade in my life, those same people that say, hey, he's selling gala, they will still come back and celebrate me. So forget, if you are sure they make 5,000 naira every day, it's a good business.
Okay, I'll get you to one of them.
Please.
I will help you.
Please. No, you feel I like a bomb. My brother, if I know you feel if I know they do anything, I like a bomb.
Get them this how, or you get them that how. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. No matter how you get them, oh, the sweetness in the same, oh. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Whether you get them this how, or you get them that how. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. No matter how you get them, oh, the sweetness in the same, oh. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter.
But the stress too much.
So brother, sometimes for this life, one has to come from a comfort zone to hustle hard. So no worry. Don't worry. You know what God will do. No, sir. Come back home.
That was how we were raised. We were one big happy family until that fateful day. I cursed that day. I cursed the day I met Godfather.
I greet you, sir.
I greet you too.
Did you check the expiring date?
How much is the gala?
Normal level now, 770 naira.
How much is everything you get, including the drinks?
You won't buy everything?
Everything.
$9,300.
9,300.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Can I have it?
God bless you, sir.
No problem. God will bless you more. Take this. Go ahead, take it.
I beg, no. What do this now? I beg. What do this now? Give me my 9-3. My mama want me about blood money, I beg. I don't want to get involved. Give me my girl out. Give me my money. No.
Why don't you just take this money? I'm giving you the money from my heart.
My mama warned me about blood money, people. How cannot involve me? Give me my gala or give me my 9-3. How you go buy that small thing and give me this kind of money? Today at Christmas.
You don't want this?
I don't need them. Give me my gala or give me my 9-3. This one pass me. Leave her.
Okay. Hey, wait, come. Take this. Take my card. You see, the way you've been hustling, I've been watching you. All the strength that you've been using, you can use it for better things. Instead of hawking gala, hawking like a Sarah. There are better things to do with your talent. I can feel your muscle. Take this card. Go ahead. Call me anytime. Whenever you change your mind, I will make your life better. Thank you for now. Okay.
Gala, gala, gala.
All the strength that you've been using, you can use it for better things. Instead of hawking gala, hawking like a Sarah. There are better things to do with your talent. I can feel your muscle. Take this card. Go ahead. Call me anytime. Whenever you change your mind, I will make your life better. Thank you for now. Okay.
Okay. Are you not going to work today?
What's the time?
8:30 in the morning.
Jesus is Lord. Now only the guy does the way the man loses the leg. It affects my brain. Best if you want me to talk to them.
I'm going to.
Oh,
Choose yourself.
Safe. Hello, Oga, please. Good morning, sir.
Who is this?
Is that Ghana seller you gave your card yesterday at Opiweka?
Oh, I see. Are you ready to make something out of your life?
Yes, sir. Please, how can I see you, sir?
Okay. Come to the Opiweka and Lagos Park. Enter bus, enter the Victoria Island, precisely, then call me.
Alright, sir. I'm coming, sir. Thank you, sir. Wow. I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes. The company I submitted my CV invited me for an interview. The interview is for next tomorrow, so I need to be in Lagos tomorrow.
Oh, this is good news. Are you serious? You know, I've always told your mom that her labor in training both of you in her institution through narrow means of livelihood will never be in vain. I know that one day God will remember every effort she put in training you in school. Oh, I'm so happy. Congrats in advance. I'm not dying on the Congrats.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I know that the job is already yours. You have gotten the job. It was God that brought this thing, and God will perfect what He has started in your life.
Yes, who are you? Who are you?
My brother. Is this Godfather's house?
Yes, like I said before, who are you?
My name is Edozie Fege from Onitsha.
Oh. You told me you would be coming today, yes. Come in.
day, sir. Please, what do I offer you?
Anything.
Okay, would you prefer rice and chicken with cold drinks or pounded yam and vegetable soup served with fresh juice?
No. No, just juice.
Only juice?
Only juice.
Okay, I'll be right back.
I thought he said he's at home. What is keeping him? Good night. Sorry, good afternoon, sir.
Young man, you see, in this business, the first thing you need to learn is patience.
That is indeed. You need to learn how to wait.
You know, like the bird called Uden. You know the vulture?
Yes. Right?
Yes.
Right. The vulture is a patient bird.
Come on. Okay, lose. Do you understand that? And that way, then you can do what? Grab whatever your destiny is deemed for you.
Please, what kind of business are we talking about? Let me know if I can do it.
What kind of business can you not do?
I can do any kind of business once it does not hurt my conscience. Once it is legit, I will do it. I've been suffering all my life.
Once it won't hurt your conscience, and once it's legit.
Yes, sir.
Young man, you see, in this country, there is no good business that comes your way legitimately. No good business. For you to be able to make even in this country, you must sell your conscience to the God of money. Yes. It's either you get even or have family for that it will continue to remain as poverty or beyond, extreme poverty. So you make a choice.
Sorry, sir.
I rather remain poor than do anything that will hurt my conscience. I'm sorry.
You would? Oh, good. Oh, good. Then simply return back to Opiweka, where you hustle and run after moving vehicles. By the hope of God, a pianist in a Kolota. In one key baby sound, Ngegaga. In Ano? Now. Handle asking you, handle about. Get out! Conscience. Does it know your conscience? Eh? I guess you're also suffering from what I call the triple S. Psychological, psychomotic, psychophancy syndrome of deficiency of vigilantiness. That was poverty.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned.
Hey, wait! Oga said you should wait first. Huh? Oga said you should wait first. Oga said you should wait first. Huh?
My brother, please. I'm an only son.
Oga said I should not open the gate for you. He said I shouldn't open the gate for you. So, wait here first.
I am not interested again.
Will you calm down?
Please, okay, I'm down.
Are you alright?
I'm fine, sir. Can I go? I'm an only son. Let me just go, sir. Because my brother there. I'm an only son. Please, let me just go. I'm begging you.
Comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do.
I will shout, oh. This is kidnap, oh. I will shout, oh. I will shout, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. Let me go. Come on, open this gate, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. I will shout, oh. This is kidnap, oh. You, come on, open this gate. Open this gate, let me leave here. I will rush you. I will rush you. I will rush you, oh.
Will you keep quiet?
Open this gate. I want to go.
Anyway. Oga said I should give you this for your transport back to Onitsha. Oga said I should give it to you. Let me open the gate. You're free to go.
Let me go.
No, don't worry. Just go.
No, this is too much.
Just go, it's okay. Just go. Please,
So sorry for the embarrassment. You know,
No.
I'm my guy, yeah?
No,
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. No, you just go.
You don't want?
I'm okay.
Greeting for me, yeah?
Alright.
Comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything.
Child, money is good though. Look at me, spending a night in a hotel, ate good food, and still have more than enough to transport myself back to Onitsha. When I was already thinking on how to get money to transport myself back to Onitsha. If he had not given me this money, probably I would be sleeping in a motor park with an empty stomach and be begging for money to transport myself back to Onitsha. just the same person, but a little money in his hands made a difference. Make thunder fire anybody who say money no good. Make thunder fire anybody who say money no good.
Since you came back from this your job interview in Lagos, I noticed that you have been this cold. And I'm wondering, did you fail?
I did not fail, just that.
That what?
The requirements are too tedious.
What kind of requirement will the company ask from you that you cannot provide?
It's not even requirements. The conditions are just... The condition is something else.
Conditions like what and what?
Is this another panel?
Oh, I'm thinking about your family's condition. There is enough poverty in your family already. What condition would the company give to you that you will not grab with both hands as long as money comes out at the end of the day? The poverty in your condition, are you just comfortable with it?
You won't understand.
Let me tell you one thing. Money making is not easy. People go through a lot of stuff to make money. You cannot just sit down and be licking ice cream and eating popcorn and make money at the same time. It's not possible. So I'm telling you, if you have to reconsider their conditions, call them back or go and take the job instead of staying idle here. I know I'm telling you this. So I don't do something that you will regret in the future.
Maka, you won't understand.
Say my own.
Maka, please, I'm begging you, please. Please don't do this to me. You don't do this to me. I'm begging you with all my heart. Please don't do this to us. Don't do this to my children.
Madam, what do you want me to do for you again? Eh? Have I not tried for you?
You have tried.
I have tried.
You have tried. You have even tried more than enough. But all I am asking you is to give us more time. More time, please.
What more time do you want, madam? What more time? Eh? Even if I give you from here to eternity, eh? You will never produce the money. So just sign the paper so that the ownership of the land will be transferred to me.
Hey,
sign.
No,
sign, madam.
No, don't do this. Hey, because don't say that. Don't say that. I'm messing on a poor widow like me, please. I'm a poor widow.
I told you when you were collecting this money not to train these boys in the university.
Yes.
Because they are good for nothing boys. Yeah? I advised you to allow them hustle like their fellow mates. Yeah? By, pushing barrow or riding Okada. But you refused. You said you must train them. Now, they have graduated and became just keke riders. They are just keke riders. Who is the fool now, madam?
I know.
You don't know anything, madam. You don't know anything. You told me that as soon as your children finish their school and their youth service, you will start paying me. Eh? Aloy graduated 3 years ago. And the dossier has just graduated last year. Yet, you have not paid anything. Eh? You have not paid. Sign this paper so that I take the land, madam.
Please don't take the land. Don't take the land. I beg you in the name of God, don't take the land. That is the only inheritance that my husband left for my children. Please Please don't take the land away from them.
You now know that it's the only inheritance your husband left for them. Eh? When you were using it as collateral. It didn't occur to you. Did it occur to you, madam?
It doesn't. Are you ready to go back to school?
How will I go back to school? I told you I need money for my project. I'm tired. I can't go back to school without money.
It's okay. It's okay. And how much is the money?
60,000 naira.
60,000 naira. Wait for me, I will be back. It is my son. This is 60,000 naira. Go and pay for your project. Go back to school.
Mama. Mama, where did you get this money from, Mama?
My son, there is a God in heaven that watches over the widow. He has provided.
God, thank you for being God.
God bless you, my son.
God
bless you.
Thank you very much.
So you're not happy?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mama.
Hey, let me help you pack your things.
Please.
Sign this paper,
Please,
please.
I can't help. Please help me. Give me some more time.
Madam, sign this paper so that I go and take my land. After spending my money on these good-for-nothing boys, you want me to leave the money like that? I cannot.
Oga, we are not good for nothing boys. Watch your tongue. We are not good for nothing boys.
Then pay the money or I seize the land.
Okay. How much are we even talking about?
The whole money is 850,000.
This is 50,000 naira. Huh? Come back in 3 weeks' time for your balance. Hey.
What did you just say?
The person I spoke to heard me.
If I come back next month for the balance of this money, and if I don't see it, take
your money and go now. Eh? They've
Boys,
given you part of the money.
Let us go
with your money now.
Let us go.
If I see you two here again, I will destroy your legs. Mama, why didn't you tell me that you borrowed this money to train us in school? Eh? Why would you use our only inheritance as collateral just to pay our school fees? And Brother Lloyd, you knew all this while and you never did me right to tell me.
My dear, I only came to know when Ogajo came last month to ask for his money.
Mama, why would you use our only inheritance to borrow money? I would have got one.
Edozie, where did you get that money from?
Mama, I don't understand. This man ridiculed us. He brought us down to zero. Instead of you to be appreciating me for bringing some money, you are interrogating me. I don't understand.
You are not going anywhere until you tell me where you get that money from.
Mama, what is all this now?
You are not going anywhere.
Mama,
what is it?
Mama, you were here. This man brought us down to zero. He insulted our life. Every other young boy will use that 50,000 and go and enjoy. But no, I brought it home to wipe away shame from the face of my family. Must I explain where I got 50,000 naira from? Eh? Okay, am I not a hustler? Am I not in Onitsha?
Is it the gala and the lacasera that you started selling not up to 2 weeks that you made 50,000 naira from?
Before Uncle, it's a good business.
Dozie, let me even ask you. Where do you intend to get the 800,000 naira you promised to give him?
Good.
Where? Brother Lloyd,
I dey shame on your behalf. Yes. Is this not your ticket? Are you not hustling? Why didn't you bring the money? I raised money. You people should appreciate me and thank me for bringing money at all. You are here interrogating me. People should leave me alone. No. Leave me alone.
I'm your senior brother. Mind the way you talk to me. Mind the way you talk to me.
I'm telling you, I'm senior brother.
So Mama actually borrowed those money she was giving to us while we were in school. And she kept it away from us, intending that we will pay back after graduation. Why must she use our only inheritance? The only inheritance our father left. Why must she use it as collateral? Now we have graduated. No work. Life is complicated. Life is complicated.
Day that I gave you money, you turned it down. Remember? When you came and you took the money, I knew I had you. Yes. Initially I termed it the triple S that has a .D. Psychomathematical, psychological, psychophantic inventing that solves the mouth for knowing the forwardness. But now that you're here, you don't have I don't understand how. The power of money, ego. You see, let me tell you something. Money has the greatest force on earth. It is a force that moves the mountain. It is a motivative force that can even uproot the unuprootable. Imagine the kind of problems that it solves for you. The kind of life it gives you. No matter how long it lasts. Sometimes it could take like a week, 2 weeks. Sometimes it lasts forever. But the issue is, can you compare your life to that time? You are running after vehicles at Opi Week. To now that you've touched your first 100,000 naira. Okay, how do you say it?
Honestly speaking, this last few days was better.
Good. The power of money is lucky. The worst thing that happens to a man is ego. Money can make a man to turn to shit. Like Gaddafi, this our senator that talks anyhow. It's money that makes him talk. It's either you die doing what? Looking for the money, finding the money, than to live in poverty. Poverty is the height, the thing that makes a man dive into gutter, and is not good for life. Anyway, you're here, it's good.
My mind is made up. I have sold my conscience to the god of money. I'm ready.
Not yet. You haven't. One more test. One more test, then we will know if actually you've made up your mind. Just one more test, then we will know if you have actually sold your mind, to your conscience, to the god of money. What do you think? You know, in life, nobody cares about how you make the money. Because no good money comes in a holy way. People simply celebrate you once you've made the money. You know, you can even celebrate yourself because you're going to discover the difference between living and existing. You see, in this world, a whole lot of people are simply existing at the mercy of those that are living. So once you're broke, you're simply existing, you're not living. Edozie, you see this man here? This man is the reason behind your poverty. Yes. This man is the reason behind your miserable life. This is the reason why you keep jeopardizing your life running after moving vehicles each and every day just to collect a mere chish. He is the brain behind your miserable life. So, here. Take it. Okay, take it. Once you shoot him, you grab your millions. But I'm sure that he's going to beg you to spare his life. Oh. He's going to beg you not to kill him so that you can remain poor for the rest of your life. So the question is, are you going to spare his life and remain poor all the rest of your life, or would you shoot him and grab your millions?
My son, please, don't listen to him. Oh. Don't listen to him. They kidnapped me yesterday and brought me here. My family are waiting for me. If you kill me, they will never see me again. Please, let me go. Don't no matter that an innocent died by the gun. Please, don't kill me. Don't. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
That's nice. Good, good. Let me have it. Good. Now, you have made it. See, you have killed poverty. So, you become a millionaire. So, welcome to the club of the Triple A's. You've truly proven that you can sell your conscience to the God of money. Let's go.
You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do.
Because I know that at some point in life, you must be tempted to do away with my money. Oh. Well, I will advise you that whenever such thoughts comes into your heart, do your best